In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. We can flee the night, flee the night, flee the night. In the paradise.
Hi everyone! We are currently recording live in my flat in Frankfurt, Germany, and my goal this evening is to finish doing my edits for my Latvia vlog. I was supposed to upload it right after my vlog to Estonia, but I didn't get the chance to do so. This weekend I'll be leaving Frankfurt for a while. I'm super duper excited to share that with you as well. But for now, stay tuned for the trip to Latvia. So where is Latvia? Latvia is located between Lithuania and Estonia, and Riga, the largest city in the Baltics, is considered a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain.
I really intended this trip to be a self-love trip, so I chose this place because the location is just very, very ideal. It is located in the very heart of historic Riga. It is close to the old town and is directly overlooking the Bastion Hill. And because it's my first time there, they gave me a welcome drink at the bar, which is, you know, always nice.
Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go.
By the entrance of my room, we have this welcome thingy. Welcome.
Of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly.
Hello, I just got to my hotel in Riga, and this is the Grand Poet Samara Hotel. So I really like it because, well, it's kind of my style and my aesthetic, and my windows are overlooking the park. So
on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. We can flee the night, flee the night, flee the night. In the paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. Flee the night. Bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way. No, no, no. Dreamy, breezy we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond
Just decided to have my breakfast in bed today because I have a lot of things to do. I have a 10 o'clock appointment with a friend of mine, and I still have to have breakfast, have to call my parents, and do my morning ritual. So I just decided to have it here.
the other. Beyond gravel, beyond We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up. Jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. 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 We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
So you have fish with like scallops and mash. I have pork with mash. Mom has pasta. And then we have
with
prawns.
Yes.
Then we have different fish types. Yeah.
Salted fish.
Yeah,
chips.
salted fish.
It's wolf fish and it's salted.
Salted fish.
I don't want what is the fish.
Yeah, we don't know the kind. Yeah. And then we have our bread, cheese. This cheese is really nice. And the one I told you about.
Oh yes. And then Lithuanian wine.
Yeah.
Stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers. We're wanderers. You're wanderers. We're wanderers. I've seen it before. It turns truth into lies.
Is the sign for God and the God in heaven, yes? So when they got Christianized, yes, they used even pagan signs to express, yes, Christianity, yeah.
But I